Hello everyone. Today we will be taking worksheet 6, question 2 and 3. Suppose that there is two rational numbers, let it be 2 and 4. Can you find out any one rational number in between 2 and 4? Yes, we can. So 3 is a rational number, isn't it? We can take 3.1 is also a rational number because 3.1 will be written as 31 upon 10. We can take 3.5 also. This can be written as 35 by 10, which is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it is also a rational number. And like this, we can find out 3.242. So this is also a rational number because it can be written as 322 upon 100. And this number 3.22 also lies between 2 and 4. So can you suggest how many rational numbers between any two rational numbers we can find out? Like this, we can find out infinite rational numbers. So to find out the rational numbers between any two rational numbers, there is a formula, or we can say there is a concept. Suppose that I am taking once again 2 and 4. So the rational number between 2 and 4, the concept is add these two numbers, these two rational numbers together, and divide it by 2. So you will be getting 6 upon 2, cancel it. So the 3 as one of the rational number you will get it. Same way, now you can take 2 and 3. This is 3 and this 2. So second rational number if you have to find out, then take 2 and 3. So add them together and always divide it with 2. So you will be getting 5 upon 2. And this 5 upon 2 will also lies between 2 and 4 because 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5. So which also lies between 2 and 4. Same way, you can make the pair of 4 and 3 now. 4 and 3 and then add them together. 4 plus 3 and always divide it with the 2. So you will be getting 7 upon 2 which is equals to 3.5. So this 3.5 also lies between 2 and 4. Same way, you can find out infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So, what observation we have got it here? If x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y whole upon 2 is a rational number between x and y. And second point which you have to remember, between any two rational numbers there are infinite many rational numbers, as we have discussed it just now. Now let's come to the question. Question 1. Find a rational number between 2 and 4. A means you have to find out one rational number. So how will you find out the rational number? Add them together, add these two numbers together and divide it by 2. So you will be getting 6 upon 2 and cancel it. So if you will observe, this 3 lies between 2 and 4. So this is one of the rational number. Now let's come to the second part. Minus 2 and minus 6. So as I have told it, add them together. So minus 2 plus, you have to add both the rational numbers and then divide it with 2. So what result you will get it? Here, if you will open the bracket, minus 2 plus multiply minus is minus 6 upon 2. So, minus 8 upon 2, cancel it. So, you will be getting minus 4 as one of the rational number. And observe here, minus 4, this minus 4 lies between minus 2 and minus 6. Now, next part. How to find out the rational number between minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 3? So, same procedure you will apply. Minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3, add them together and divide it with 2. Now, what should be next step? Open the bracket. So, plus into minus, minus 7 by 3 whole upon 2. What should be next step? क्या होगा? Take its LCM. So, it will be minus 2 minus 7 whole upon 2. Now, next step is minus 9 by 3 whole upon 2. So, you can cancel these two. So, it would be minus 3 by 2. So, minus 3 by 2 will lie between minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Now, come to the next question. Question third is, insert 3 rational numbers between 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. So, what will you do? First rational number, to find out the first rational number, 4 by 13, add and 1 by 13 and divide it with 2. Now next step, take its LCM. 13 is the LCM, so 4 plus 1 upon 13 and whole upon 2. So it would be 5 upon 13 and whole upon 2. This 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So, if you will solve it further, so 5 by 13 and it will become reciprocal. You know it very well, 1 by 2. So, the answer would be yours 5 by 26. 5 by 26 will be the first rational number. First rational number. So, how will you find out the next now? This is 5 by 26. Now, to find out the second rational number, what will you do? You will make the pair of 4 by 13, 4 by 13 and 5 by 26. You can take these two pair together now. So, to find out the next rational number, you will take 4 by 13 plus 5 by 26 and divide it with 2. So, next step, LCM. So, LCM will be 26, here 8 plus 5 and whole upon 2. So, it would be 13 upon 26 and this is 2 by 1. So, it would be 1 upon 2. Now, multiply upper with upper and lower with lower. So, you would be getting the next rational number. How to find out the third rational number now? This is the first. This is your second step. Now, how to take the next part? Now, you can make the pair of any two rational number. But remember, the rational number pairing should not be repeated. Why? Because you will get again same answer. So now we can take 1 by 13 and 5 by 26, or you can take the pair of 1 by 13 and 13 by 52. It's on you, whatever you want to take the pair, you can. So 1 by 13 plus 5 by 26 and what will you do? Divide it by 2. Now same procedure, take its LCM. So 2 plus 5 divide and multiply. So it would be 7 by 26 and this is 2 by 1. So it would be 1 by 2. Now solve it. So 5 by 52 would be the next rational number. So in this part we have got these three rational number. But sorry, here 5 by 2, this would be 7. 7 by 26 and here it is also 7 by 52. So therefore, what should be the answer? 5 by 26, 5 by 26, 13 by 52 and 7 by 52. 7 by 52 are the three rational numbers, three rational numbers between 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. So like this you can find out infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now next part, again you have to find out the three rational numbers. So let's go for the question or the steps directly. So add them together and divide it with 2. Take its LCM, so it will be minus 7 plus 10, sorry, minus 7 plus 11, divide and multiply upon 2. Now next step, solve it. Minus 7 plus 11, minus 7 plus 11, what it should be? It should be 4. So 4 upon 10 and this is 2 upon 1. So change its sign. So 1 by 2. It will become reciprocal. Now you can cancel it. So 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 would be the one of the rational number. Similarly, we can find out the other rational number also. So to find out next rational number, what will you do? As I have told it, you have to make the pair. You have to make the pair. So now you can make the pair of minus 7 by 10 and 1 by 5. So minus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 5 and divided by 2. Always add them together and divide it with 2. Okay, so 10 minus 7 plus 2 divided by 2. So it would be minus 5 by 10 multiply 1 by 2. Now go further. So minus 5 by 20. Minus 5 by 20, or this can be cancelled out also. So what we will do? ये आपका cancel हो जाएगा. So minus 1 by 4 will be the next rational number. Next rational number. Okay. Now, to find out the next number, what will you do? Now you can make the pair of 11 by 10 and minus 1 by 4, or you can make the pair of 11 by 10 and 1 by 5 also. It's on you. Whatever pairing you want to make, you can make it, but remember that the pairing should not be repeated. It should not be repeated. So next rational number, let's go for the next. So 11 by 10 plus 1 by 5 and don't forget to write divided by 2. So LCM 10, 11 plus 2 whole divided by 2. So it would be 12 by 10 and whole upon 2 will become reciprocal. Now cancel it. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5 would be the next third rational number. Third rational number. Like this, you can find out infinite rational numbers. So therefore, how will you end up? कैसे इसको end करेंगे? Therefore, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 5 are the three rational numbers, three rational numbers between minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. Like this, you can find out other rational numbers also. Now come to the next part. Now these are the two numbers. You have to find out the rational numbers. So let's go for the question. Add them together. Minus 19 by 3 and divide by 2. If you know any other method, you can do with other method also, but the method should be right. So whole upon 2. Now take its LCM. 3 minus 4 minus 19 whole upon 2. So it would be minus 23 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. This will become reciprocal. 2 upon 1 will become reciprocal. So minus 23 by 6 will be the first rational number. Now let's go for the second rational number. So to find out the second rational number, again you have to make the pair. But remember, while making the pair, the rational numbers should not be repeated. Okay, now divided with 2, we have taken minus 4 by 3 and minus 23 by 6 as two rational numbers. Now 6 as a LCM, minus 8 plus minus 23 upon 6 and whole upon 2. Whole upon 2. So minus 8 and minus 23. Minus 8 and minus 23 is minus 31 upon 6 whole upon 2. So minus 31 upon 6 and it will become 1 by 2. So minus 31 by 12 will be the one of the rational number. Now let's go for the next pairing now. You can take minus 4 by 3 and this minus 31 by 12, or you can take minus 19 by 3 and 23 by 6 also. As I have told it, you can make the pairing of any rational numbers, but remember that the rational numbers should not be repeated. It should not be repeated. So same procedure, take its LCM, minus, divide and multiply. So minus 38 minus 23 and whole upon 2. So it would be minus 61 upon 6 and 1 upon 2. So minus 61 upon 12 will be the one of the rational number. So how will you end up? Therefore, since we have to find out the three rational numbers, so therefore minus 23 by 6, minus 31 by 12 and minus 61 by 12 are the three rational numbers between minus 4 by 3 and minus 19 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 and minus 19 by 3. So I hope that these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.